Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm an Atlanta area personal bankruptcy attorney. And today I'd like to talk to you about short sales and why thinking about or having done a short sale might be a sign that you should talk to a bankruptcy attorney. So first of all, let's define our terms. What a short sale is when you approach the mortgage company and offer them less than the balance due in order to make a sale happen. So for example, if you owe $230,000 on your mortgage, but that property is only worth $190,000, you go to the mortgage company and say, I've got a buyer who's willing to pay $190,000. Will you forgive the additional $40,000 so I can make this sale? And that's called a short sale. And in a tight real estate market, a difficult real estate market rather, one where there's not a lot of transactions going on, that many real estate companies, mortgage companies, are willing to consider a short sale. Obviously, as the inventory gets less and the market becomes better, you'll have a more difficult time getting a short sale done. And I've had a few cases recently where clients of mine approached the mortgage company about doing a short sale. They had a tentative deal, but at the end of the day, the offer made by the purchaser was not enough to make the short sale work, and my client ended up either in foreclosure or pre-foreclosure. My point here is if you're talking to a mortgage company about a short sale, you should also talk to a bankruptcy lawyer, because when you're in a short sale situation, that typically means that you're underwater on your mortgage. You probably owe additional money as well. And if you do a short sale, the risk you run is that the lender will send you a 1099 miscellaneous income statement, so you have to pay taxes on the debt forgiveness. Whereas in a bankruptcy, if you surrender property in a bankruptcy, there's no tax implications. And there may also be situations where there's no tax implications if you're insolvent and you get a 1099 for a short sale, but still, it's just an extra hassle you have to go through. Again, my point here is if you're talking about a short sale, that suggests that you probably have other financial issues going on, and rather than go through the hassle, and my experience has been that short sales can be a real hassle, that you at least talk to a bankruptcy lawyer to see whether or not that makes more sense simply to go the bankruptcy route, surrender the property, and move on. Short sales don't always help your credit. In fact, many times they hurt your credit because, again, it shows that you resolved the debt for less than was owed, whereas in a bankruptcy, you go through a bankruptcy, yes, your credit's damaged initially, but you walk out of a bankruptcy owing nothing. So you have a situation where you could be in a short sale, you come out with your credit really messed up, tax liability, and you still have a bunch of other debt, versus going into a bankruptcy, you're debt-free, you have no tax liability, and your credit's going to rebound probably within 6 months to a year. So again, short sale is a trigger, in my view, to at least talk to a bankruptcy lawyer to see what the options are. It's certainly an option to consider when you're in the short sale posture. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube, like it on Facebook, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've also got a very comprehensive website at atlanta-bankruptcy-attorney.com, and I invite you to go there to check out what I've written about the bankruptcy process in Atlanta and North Georgia. And if I can be of assistance to you, please reach out to me. I'm at 770-393-4985. Thanks a lot. Hi, this is Jonathan, and I hope you found this video helpful. I'd like to invite you to download my free Debt Destroyer Survival Kit right now. I've packed my survival kit with answers to the questions I've heard from clients for over 25 years here in the Atlanta area. Inside the survival kit, you'll find clear, easy to understand answers to critical topics about how to solve debt problems once and for all, including how do I protect my stuff, my house, car, and personal property if I file for bankruptcy? Are there any legitimate alternatives to bankruptcy? Will I ever get credit again, and if so, when? What mistakes must I avoid to get the most benefit out of bankruptcy? You can claim your copy right now by visiting my atlanta-bankruptcy.com website. And you are always welcome to use the email form on my website to ask me anything about debt and personal bankruptcy in Atlanta. www.atlanta-bankruptcy.com. And as always, I wish you the best.